see the wonders of these 304 food grade jars.
Now this is a polycarbonate see-through blending jar. That looks like any other blending jar, doesn't it?
But don't go by its good looks alone. This jar not only gives you the choice of blending milkshakes, lassis, mocktails and more, but also gives you 3 pouring options.
Yes, if you do not enjoy ice in your drinks, then all you have to do is shift this lid to this option of sieve. And if you do enjoy ice in your drinks, then well, shift this lid to the option of open. And while you're blending your drinks in this jar, then you can close the lid.
Priyanka, won't you please tell our dear Glenn friend what this cap is for?
Of course, Neha. How can I not? Well, any naked eye would say that this is just a cap. But no, this is not just a cap. It has 3 great secrets behind it. Secret number 1. While processing, if you need to add any ingredient to your blend, well, you can do it easily from here. Secret number 2. This can be used as a measure. So in the evening, this can become your peg measurer. And lastly, secret number 3. This cap is absolutely unbreakable.
How cool is that? Don't you agree? It's amazing.
Well, next in line is this little grinder right here. And this little master can grind the toughest and the hardest masalas within seconds.
Now forget buying masalas from the market and simply grind your own homemade masalas fresh, just like your grandma did, but with 100% less effort. See, here is your haldi powder, ready to add color and taste to your food.
Along with dry masalas, this little grinder can also grind both wet and dry rice, cereals and pulses with ease and to the coarseness of your liking.
Now if you and your family have a taste for tangy, tongue-tickling chutneys, then you'd love this Glenn chutney jar. This jar can churn out effortlessly the all-time favorite pudine ki chutney or any other chutney within seconds and to the texture of your liking, so that you and your family can enjoy every meal with a fresh, tangy twist.
This is awesome. See?
Nowadays, every household buys packet juices because almost every juice stall is dirty and unhygienic.
And because of busy schedules, no one likes to invest time in preparing fresh juices at home anymore.
But the story of a Glenn household is completely different.
Yes, with the Glenn food processor at your home, you only need to invest your love for your family and friends, not time.
Yes, this centrifugal juicer prepares juice from any hard fruit or vegetable within seconds. It squeezes the pulp to the last drop.
And you can see that in the centrifugal juicer, the juice smoothly pours itself out into the bowl. And the pulp remains at the top. Now, when the fruit is completely juiced at the speed of 2, you can feel the machine vibrating a bit as it applies more force against the accumulated pulp. So, the smart thing to do here is to switch the speed to 3 to fully extract the remaining juice from the pulp. And voila! Your fresh juice is ready. See, there is no juice left in this pulp. It's absolutely dry. And it has become so easy to remove and clean.
Now let's see the wonders of Glenn's citrus juicer.
You know, Neha, my earlier citrus fruit juicer was so scary. The motor would run so fast that I was scared to death to use it.
Don't worry, Priyanka. Glenn's citrus juicer is absolutely safe and easy to use. This citrus juicer runs only at an RPM of 270, unlike the 1400 RPM of conventional machines. And that's not all. The juicing cone of Glenn's citrus juicer is also not in the center, but close to the edge, so that you can rest your palm and effortlessly prepare any fruit juice, be it Musambi, oranges, Malta, Kinu or any other.
This ergonomic design will help in protecting you from any injury from the juicing cone. And this juice will not get bitter after 3 or more hours, as the seeds of this fruit will not get crushed in this citrus fruit juicer.
Hey Priyanka, does homemade butter ring a bell?
Oh, homemade butter and garam parathas. Well, Neha, you are starting to make me feel hungry. But I know what you're getting at. The whipping whiskers, right?
Of course. Glen's whipping whisker is so super efficient that it can make thick, yummy butter in a jiffy. With this whipping wonder, you can also beat eggs. It whips the egg whites so well that even if you turn the bowl upside down, it won't fall. And what's more, it even helps you prepare delicious frothy omelets, souffles, awesome mousse, cream, icing, and loads of other fun stuff. And last but definitely not the least, what makes the Glen food processor unique is its compact storage.
Unlike any other machine, all the attachments of your Glen food processor fit in this especially designed attachment stand, which in turn sits comfortably in the main bowl.
You know what this means? That you don't have to waste your time and effort looking for blades all around the kitchen.
And you can comfortably put it on the kitchen counter, where it comes handy for your all-day food preparations.
We hope you're now ready to experience the joy of Glen in your kitchen. But if you still want to know more, do log on to our website www.glenindia.com to book yourself a free demo in the comfort of your home. We did that ourselves. That's how we know so much about this kitchen marvel.
So go right ahead and cherish the joy of having a Glen food processor in your life. And happy cooking!